Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, I'm Teacher Solomon. What's your name?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go. So you use pronouns to talk about them, okay? The boy who is going to the daddy is my
What
younger brother. So let's go. One.
one? The boy would go to the daily is my younger brother. Two. The girl would go to the pet shop is my younger sister.
Good.
Three. The boy is would go into the convenience store is my older brother. For the girl would go into the jewelry shop is my older sister. 5. The boy would go to the pizzeria is my younger sister. 6. The girl would go to the bakery is my younger brother.
Okay.
Once he said that he was going to the mall. He girl she said that she was going to the state factory. He said that he going to the stadium. 4. She said that she was going to the science museum.
Good.
5. He said that he was going to the art gallery.
Good.
6. She said that she going to the arcade.
Okay, let's go. If you want to help me, go ahead.
1. If you want to have the environment, the newspaper.
So
2.
you say the number two. Okay.
2. If you want to have the environment, turn off the light.
Okay.
3. If you want to have the environment, set a compost pile.
Okay, good. Complete file.
4. If you want to have the environment, recycle water and can. 5. If you want to have the environment, shoot, shoot off the water. 6. If you want to have the environment, plant a garden.
Great. Okay. If we take public transportation, we will conserve energy. Let's go.
1. If we just public transportation, we will conserve energy. 2. If we just if we just
Take reusable shopping
renewable
bags.
shopping bag, we we will conserve energy.
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 G.
Energy.
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 Good. Let's go.
3. If we use energy, say in light bulb, we will conserve energy. 4. If we keep the,
Keep.
keep the air conditioner on low, We will conflict energy. Conflict energy. 5. It will grow your own vegetable. We will conflict energy. 6. It will re your right out the road outside. We will conflict energy. 1. Ready opera of perform here. 2. Picasso painting of perform or display here. 3. Valentine ballet or perform here. 4. Michelangelo sculpture or display here. 5. Shakespeare play or perform here. 6. Beethoven symphony or perform here. 1. The Americano was completed in 1855. 25.
Okay.
2. The Shakespearean Railway was completed in 1916.
Okay, good.
3. The Hoover Dam was completed in 1936.
Yes.
4. The second channel was completed in 1988. 5. The Taipei 101 building was completed in 34. 6. The Olivia
Yeah, good.
Olivia was completed in 2008.
2008.
2008.
Okay, and